how to handle introducing new foods to a kid on the autism spectrum in a step-by-step manner. The child doesn't eat apple at all. You keep a very minuscule piece of apple in the front of the spoon, and if the child is very fond of chips, a bigger piece of chip at the backside of the spoon, and you say, first you bite this, then you get this. Give some tangible reinforcer that because you are doing this, it's amazing. Like this, you will give them exposure to the non-preferred food item very quickly, and then withdraw it and give the preferred food item. Hello there, Rajni from Sashakt Empowering Lives. So today's topic, fixing food rigidities. How to handle introducing new foods to a kid on the autism spectrum in a step-by-step manner. Most of the times, parents complain that my child is not eating any other food than just one specific particular thing. It could be chips, it could be roti, it could be papad, anything but just one or maybe two things. This can lead to severe malnourishment in the child and can have bad consequences. Also, the child begins to show huge behaviors when a parent tries to feed them something else. So, what to do? Here is what you can do. First of all, do not push a huge chunk of new food to the kid. The kid is bound to reject it. So you can take one spoon, and in the same spoon, in the front, you keep a very small piece of, let us say, for example, if the child doesn't eat apple at all, you keep a very minuscule piece of apple in the front of the spoon, and if the child is very fond of chips, a bigger piece of chip at the backside of the spoon, and you say, first you bite this, then you get this. Now the piece is so small, or you can grate apple and you can have just one or two strands, three strands. The amount is so small that the child cannot spit it, and the chip is really big, and add a lot of praise with it. Now, over a period of time, slowly and gradually increase the amount of apple very little by little, and reduce the size of the chip, and every time give lots of praise. Also give some tangible reinforcer that because you are doing this, it's amazing. You could also take, let us say, for example, a nut, but it's great to try, not so good to try with almond, because almonds are hard and we don't want it sticking in the neck, in the food pipe. So a small piece, not almond, preferably walnut is good, because walnut is still softer as compared to an almond. Dip it into honey or chocolate sauce and put it in the molar, the backside, the grinding teeth of the child, and get the child to chew. Hold the child's mouth and chew a very small piece and say, yummy, very good, and immediately feed a chip after putting the walnut in the mouth of the child. Like this, you will give them exposure to the non-preferred food item very quickly. So this way you will give exposure to the child to the non-preferred food item and follow it with the preferred food item. Over a period of time, you will remove the preferred food item and fill the spoon with only non-preferred food item, which will now not remain non-preferred because the child has developed taste buds, and there will be a separate plate with chips or with his favorite item, and say, finish this and you will get this, or have one spoon of this and you will get this. And like this, slowly that one spoon will go to two spoons, will go to half a katori, will go to full plate, and so on and so forth. Slowly, you will further push the gratification to a delayed gratification by saying, all right, so on Wednesday we will get chips. Today is Monday. Today you have to eat all 3 meals, Tuesday also, and Wednesday I'll get you a packet of chips. Like this, you will introduce different foods to the child with love, patience, encouragement, and a lot of praise and reward. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with somebody who will benefit. Press the notification bell. Do not forget to tune in on Instagram, YouTube Hindi on Tuesdays 7 to 7:30 p.m. The links are given in the description box below. And do not forget to connect with us for the Autism Masterclass, where we train you on everything about autism specific parenting and teaching techniques. 7 to 9:30 p.m. either Thursdays or Fridays. The links are mentioned in the description box below. I shall see you next time with another video. Bye bye.